I'm gonna zoom in for you so you can see what it looks like up close. And there it is up close. That's what you see right there. That's it. Huh? That's the lights I film right there. Up close for you. Look at that. Look. He just came out of the swamp. Now, let's go over and take a look. Oh, he cut his lights off because he don't want me to see. Ha 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 ha. Alright, I got you. Let's go over here and look at this watcher. The watcher I showed everybody earlier. There he is right there. Let's look at that watcher and see what he looks like. There he is. He's standing or sitting right there watching me. Now, that is an angel. Or a fallen angel. But that's what the angels look like. You're just an idiot, Ron. Oh, really? This is my P900. Let's see, can we find a star and have a look at it. Oh, we got another plane coming. Here's a star. I think it's a star. Let's see if we can find a star, huh? I don't see it. There's one, huh? Oh, there's a star. I think that's a star right there. Let's have a look at it. See it? Do you see it? Something's dimming it, but there it is. Let's see if I can find another one. No more. Ooh, look, there's a fancy plane up there, huh? Oh, look at the bright one's back. There he is, coming out of the bushes. Let's see if we can zoom in on him. There he is. You can see him throbbing and pulsing right there. Ha ha ha! What else we got here? Oh, there's a funky looking plane up there, huh? Let's see what we got over here. All kinds of stuff out there, huh?